Fair skin is the hallmark of beauty and affluence in Vietnam, and women go to great lengths to achieve it. It's no wonder that the skin whitening category is highly competitive, and why Vaseline, the leading brand in body care, was facing increased competition and a slowdown in sales. So when we were tasked to reignite the growth of Vaseline by relaunching its whitening variant, we decided to focus on the product's unique sun protection feature. This, however, created a major challenge. How do you sell a sun protection lotion to women who cover up every single inch of skin on their body when they go out in the sun? Focus groups revealed that these fashion-conscious women really dislike how they look in these outfits. It's ironic that in the process of preserving their beauty, women make themselves look and feel anything but beautiful. This created a huge opportunity for us to make women feel confident and beautiful when out in public under the sun, thanks to the sun protection qualities of Vaseline Healthy White. To kick off the campaign, we set up collection booths all over the country where women could exchange their cover-up outfits for a full bottle of Vaseline Healthy White. In partnership with a famous Vietnamese fashion designer, we then remodeled components of the donated outfits into gorgeous, sleeveless sundresses. Design updates and exclusive behind-the-scenes interviews were made available on our website so users could see the progress behind each garment. The completed collection was then showcased at a unique outdoor daytime fashion show where models rode on motorbikes and spectators had a chance to instantly win one of the garments by snapping it and sharing it on social media with our mobile app. The campaign generated over $120,000 in earned media, which is more than a 100% return on investment. Vaseline sales immediately turned around from the pre-campaign slowdown to positive growth at 3 times the rate of the body care market, reasserting Vaseline's position as the #1 brand in body care.